everyone, welcome to Lectures by Aparna. This is a part 2 video of logic gates and logical operations. If you would like to watch the part 1 of this video, check out the link given in the description box just below this video. So let's move on to today's session. In today's video, we will discuss about OR gate. This is the symbol of OR gate. It has two inputs and one output, which is the logical OR of those two inputs. OR operation is represented using a plus sign. So it can be written as y is equal to A or B. OR operation can be explained using a simple circuit using switches. Suppose you have a circuit like this. Here there are two switches, switch 1 and switch 2. Switch 1 is represented as SW1 and switch 2 is represented as SW2. Then there is a lamp and a battery. Two switches are connected in parallel here. Now we are considering these two switches as two binary values that are inputs to the OR gate. Let switch 1 represent input A and switch 2 represent input B. Now we will write a truth table for this OR operation. A and B are two inputs and Y is the output. When switch is on, we take it as a logic 1, and when switch is off, we take it as a logic 0. The lamp can be considered the binary output of the OR operation, that is Y. So when lamp is lit, we take it as a logic 1, and when the lamp is off, we take it as a logic 0. First, let us consider the case when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. This means switch 1 is off and switch 2 is also off. This is the off position. Two switches are off means there is no connection between the lamp and the battery. So there is no power that is coming to the lamp from the battery. So the lamp will be off. It means a logic 0 at the output. Therefore, Y will be equal to 0. Now consider the case when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. This means switch 1 is off and switch 2 is on. So the circuit will be like this. Switch 2 is on means it will be in a closed position. Now the lamp will be connected to the battery through this path. So it will be lit. That means it is a logic 1. And at the output you will get a logic 1. Now consider the case when A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0. This means switch 1 is on and switch 2 is off. So the circuit will be like this. Now the lamp will be connected to the battery through this path. So in this case the lamp will be lit and it will be a logic 1 at the output. Therefore Y will be equal to 1. Now consider the last case when A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. This means that both switches are on. So the circuit will be like this. Now also the lamp will be lit as it is connected to the battery through both these paths. So output is logic 1 and Y will be equal to 1. The only case when it is logic 0 is when both inputs are 0. For all other cases, you will get a logic 1 at the output. So this is OR gate operation. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.